Want to get Discord token? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can get Discord token. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and head over to discord.com. This method only works on a web browser, so make sure that you're logged in there. Once you have been logged in, next thing you want to do is click on the three dots at the top right corner. Now you want to click on More Tools, then select the Developer Tools. Here you will find different options such as Console, Sources and Network. You want to look for Application. So click on this arrow right here, find Application and click on that. Now in this part, you want to click for Local Storage. Here you should find HTTPS. Go ahead and select that. Now you want to click on the Toggle Device toolbar right here. As you can see, it has been converted to a phone. Now you want to click on the search bar and search for token. Then you will see your token right here. All you want to do is copy the token. And now you can paste it wherever you want, and in this way you can easily get your Discord token. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.